Okay, here we have a model of a man, and these various parts are quite proportionate in terms of size, okay? So the lungs will fill the top portion and you can take out the lungs. Ow! Ow! You take out the lungs here. And then you see it's hidden. The heart is hidden between the lungs, right? Wow. So you have two lungs, huh? Oh, everything fell. Never mind. You got two lungs, okay? One, this is called the left lungs, because it is the left side. It is the left side of the person. Huh? It is the left side of the person. Up. Okay. And this one is the right lungs, because it is the right side of the person. Okay? And the lungs are very big. Huh? They are pretty big. And they occupy the what we call the thoracic section. The thoracic section is from here upwards. Okay? And there is a diaphragm, which is not shown here. There is a diaphragm separating the lung and the heart section from the intestine. Okay? And the heart is stuck inside there. Can you see the heart is stuck inside there? And that is the right side, and that is the left side. And then you have got arteries, which are colored in red, and you have got veins, which carries deoxygenated blood in blue. And then you can open up the heart like this. Oh, the surgeon actually has opened up my heart like that. And then they put a plastic ring here at the mitral valve, so that my heart will pump the blood out of my heart very forcefully to the rest of the body. I had an open heart surgery before. And they cut open the rib cage, and open it up. Ooh, that's very frightening, huh? Okay. There is your little heart. And you must keep pumping. Huh? You must keep pumping until you fall asleep. Huh? Even if you are sleeping, you are pumping, except that you are brain dead. You are still pumping, except that you are completely not pumping. Then it is dead. Okay? Now you see the arteries at the back, and you can see also the kidney. These are the kidneys. Okay? These are the kidneys. And then this is the liver. Wow, liver is very big. Liver is very, very, very big. Like that. Ooh. And you actually can cut the liver away and attach other people's liver. You have got what we call liver transplant. Then here is the stomach that comes down, that takes the food down from the esophagus. Huh? The stomach takes the food down from the esophagus, and then it flows down to the intestine. It goes down to the intestine like that. Okay? It goes down to the intestine like that. And the food from the stomach goes to the small intestine first. Go to the small intestine, and then go up to this area, which is called the colon. These portions are known as the colon. C-O-L-O-N. C-O-L-O-N. This is the ascending colon. This is the transverse colon. and this is the descending colon. The intestines are thinner than the colon, and most digestion and assimilation are in the small intestine. So when people become very fat, they can open up the abdominal section and cut the small intestine, throw part of it away and join the rest together, so that they will assimilate less fat and less nutrients. Sometimes they tie the stomach. They make the stomach smaller, they tie it up somewhat, but there are some accidents, that's dangerous. So when you tie the stomach, you will eat less because you feel that you are full. So one way to control weight is to tie the stomach. Yeah, it's quite terrible, but that's the way people control themselves. And you have got cancer, which happens all over the place. You can have liver cancer, you can have lung cancer, you can have heart bypass, where the veins and the arteries, especially the arteries, are blocked. So when the arteries are blocked, it can block the flow of blood to the other parts. And I've gone through 3 artery bypasses. They take the vein from my right leg and then take the vein and put it onto the heart like that. And my operation, the bypass plus the mitral valve, to make it smaller so that the blood can flow faster, took 7.5 hours. Wow. Sometimes some of us are more lucky than others. So that's why they say try not to eat food with too much cholesterol. But yet again, they say that cholesterol is not the culprit, is not the one that clog up the arteries. But then, that was in the US. The FDA said it is not cholesterol, it is some other process. But my cardiologist still wants me to take statin to clear the cholesterol. Okay lah, take what to do. He said in Singapore, we try not to follow the US finding. I don't know why. Maybe they think they are cleverer. Singapore doctors think they are cleverer than the doctors in America. Food and Drug Administration, which is short form as FDA. FDA. So there you are, and you can try to put it back after that. So when you are a surgeon, you will cut people up.